Thinking about working on railway? Here's exactly how to apply. No fluff, just facts. I get this question all the time. How do I apply for a railway job? Whether you want to work on board, on the platforms, in signalling, or behind the scenes, the process can feel confusing, so let's break it down properly. The first thing you need to know, the railway isn't one big company, there are two main sides. So depending on the job you want, you'll be applying for two completely different employers. There are two sides to the railway, pick your adventure. If you're interested in signalling, maintenance, or anything infrastructure related, go straight to Network Rail's career page. If you want to work on board or at stations, you'll be applying to the train operating companies, the TOCs. A really useful place to start is Network Rail's page that lists every train operating company in the UK. I'd go here first, especially if you're new to the industry. It shows you all the TOCs and who runs services in your area. If you want to work on board, it's the easiest way to see which companies actually operate near you. Once you know your local TOCs, head to their career pages. That's where you'll find jobs like conductors, train managers, onboard hosts, dispatchers, and station staff. Whatever you do, don't apply for a company 200 miles away unless you really like trains. Let's talk about the roles people usually start with. Customer service assistant, gate line assistant, ticket office clerk, platform staff, and so on. These are the roles most people start with before moving up. Most railway jobs don't require a degree. Here's what you actually need. Good communication skills, basics, maths and English GCSE level, right to work in the UK, and so on. You need to show you can stay calm, follow procedures, and be part of a team. Shift work means shifts. Some people forget that bit. Here's how to make your application stand out. Tailor your CV to the specific role. Highlight customer service or public facing experience, and so on. Don't write "I like trains." They know. Railway jobs are incredibly rewarding. Apply directly, be patient, and keep learning. The railway wants humans, not superheroes. And on that note, good luck with your application. Sweet!